Thank God. My brother Aputago. My brother Aputago.
On Sunday. On Sunday, I want it from Nuno. From Moto. Yes. I have measured here and now.
Yeah, okay, go up and one give you a chota.
The level of atrocities these Fulani herdsmen are committing in some communities in Igbo land are not being talked about enough. If there is anything the Igbos should be protesting against, it should be protest against these Fulani herdsmen. Because what these guys are doing in various communities, especially in the Enugu communities, it's not a joke. Now, this is now waiting happen for Ezeago community. These two guys you are seeing were kidnapped by Fulani herdsmen. And his people had to pay ransom before they were released. And they are saying that these Fulani herdsmen are saying that they have a lot of groups in various places in these communities that are kidnapping people. And they are even assuring the victim that this is just the genesis, that more of their group are coming, that they are just coming little by little. That by the time they are done with the Igbos, that we beg them for forgiveness. This is what they are saying. I'm pleading on our leaders, Southeast leaders, take this issue of this Fulani herdsmen serious. It's no longer a joke. Like if you go to many communities in Enugu State now, especially under Ezeago local government, they are crying a lot against this Fulani herdsmen, against all their kidnapping they are doing. And the funny thing is that these guys will come in as herdsmen. They will come in with their cows. And while they are doing this cattle rearing, their main objective is not even the cattle rearing. Their main aim is to kidnap people for ransom. If you don't pay ransom, they will buy you. And as they are doing it, they are taking over. Please, government, do something about this. It's no longer a joke.
Thank God. My brother Aputago. My brother Aputago.
On Sunday. On Sunday, I want it from Nuno. From Moto. Yes. I have measured here and now.
Yeah, okay, go up and one give you a chota. I kidnap. No mumba and I kidnap. Okay, go up here, Jimota, I kidnap. No mumba.
Yes.
Hi. Oh, and no one no business.
No, we are getting. But motherfucker, about her.
Yeah?
Motherfucker, on that place. No, it's free. It's free.
Hi.
What about 4 groups? Yes, the man has a yeah, we are getting.
Kevian.
I took a video. What am I not going to do?
Nah, okay, sorry. Since when last day, which day be able to one day? Yeah, go have 1.5 million.
Yes.
Hi. Nah, I'm not talent.
About 4 groups of that place now.
Kezi Odaiji no Nuke.
That barrier. We may pass the Jim Moscow. Yeah. Yeah, my friend. Now, one night, they are coming for it.
Yeah?
I quite I baby the same. I have heard that. Near back now, just the 2 Ghana sent small. How the group by group. They are coming small. By the time I better zoo on Hakusino. Never I was ever. Never do not in Kanjim, Snip appear, one of appear. So now I never am on free. He's going to finish all of them. Now from Vendor. No, yeah, AK-47. AK-47 go.
For aqua more build n'aka.
Uti.
Abịa n'ala ma n'aka ọ bụla nke
Pompation double bar.
N'ụzọ taa ka ha nọ.
Just ha si anyị gbadawa ebe a, anyị gbada ndị ha si anyị tọnụ, ha si anyị ịmago chigharị anyị brain, si anyị stop there. Mgba break. Mpụta na-ekwe dị gị anyị, ọ dị ọcha. Mbi ozugbo ọsị m ngwa, mụ bụ ya edi ego. I hope she complete, since all the complete, on Alumia. About the name. Okay, do you bet able? Oh, yeah, bet able.
I'm going to know.
Are you moving Babaya? Cafe Stanley, yeah?
Tambo.
Stanley Tambo. Hi, nah.
What are they on?
How the on?
I got one more year, Gemmo. I don't want on. I don't want to
Nah,
Morgan, the more Morgan. Okay, oh, you can go, yeah. Okay, you can up your mob, never come up your meal. Up your meal, and I have. No, Bob, your no don't go in the trouble.
No talk
This morning.
Magazine.
They go is when I move out with Diego. Now, Obegan and what is in the board. I want to urge you and go. I've got a group of people. How do group each teacher? About the 4 group of group and other police get. How about 5 group can on Hajjending and the Gabo? Yeah, I see group by group. ebe ahụ nọ ha kpọtaziri mmanwụ ndị kesi ha bigoro agụchazi ego ọhụrụ ụzọ ọsọ enwe pụtazi
Okay, ha ya confirm dị ego.
ha kọfa ife ọzọ fon abụọ
Hey, arụ mekwara.
and oke bụ sika ọ chọrọ
Ihe ya m nọmba gị.
ntinye n'ugwu
Ihe ya m nọmba gị forward ọlụ gị.
okay
Hey, ya bụ ọkwa obere ihe. Ma anyị kekwa abịa na ndị nwa abịakwubịa kpakwuru m na asị dị ọka dị ọkwa mma otu ụta. Ma mbụ nke m nwa. Nke m nwa dị ọkwa mma otu. Mana ọ ma ngala ndị a. Kezi ime iji delete kpo ya niile.
delete
ya na ọsọsọ gụwa. You have to delete everybody.
After group n'ebe a ha na ebe akịta na ha abaghị otu ọta ha ya get up
Chekwala cross kwa ụzọ.
ebe ụmụ mgbaka jiri eme ebe ha isi cross wepụ ọzọ ebe ni cross ụzọ ga nche nsị n'ụzọ be anyị cross ụzọ be anyị
ọ bụ n'oye na-aba ebe a nọ
Damage. How could Azol phone?
oh kwa azọ
Yeah, Smart 5.
da nje bezo na asịkwa onye bụ onye mgbagbu nke mkpụcha n'ụlọ nkwụ maka ụmụ tinjera ebe na si Enugu nala a problem now for now because aka ndị ji bịa maka Chineke the next before Christmas ọsọ agbaba ya ha kwuru ekwu na ha dị nkwadobe ọbịa na ha ji akwụkwọ ọbịa ha sara ya for Abuja na abụgodu mma ebe a no idiot can talk oge na-abịa no idiot can talk na ji pepper si machi ibita AK-47 macha not easy onye nwe mmadụ ebi ya onwe any of the boys wey dey here wey no carry AK-47